Segments are a way of tagging your contacts so they can be easily found and searched in your account. To use segments, click My Leads, then click Segments. From here, you can either edit your segments that you've already created or click New Segment to add a segment in your system. You can create a name for this segment, for example, Warm Lead. You can click Save Changes. You can edit or delete from here. You can see how many leads have this tag and also how many customers from this view. From here, I'll show you how to use this segment feature. Go back to My Leads. Let's say you want to add that segment to a lead list inside of your My Leads area. So you can sort the filters out. For example, let's say you want all the leads with the lead in status. So you simply click Apply Filters. Now we have per page 10. So now if I bulk select these, I can add segments to these leads that I have selected. So I can select one or more segments by clicking here, selecting the warm lead. And now if I click Apply Bulk Actions, all these leads will have that segment or essentially a tag added to them. So now if I was to go into the contact here and I clicked Deal Details, I would see this segment is Warm Lead right here. If I go into my pipeline, I can click More Search Options and you'll see the segments filter here. You can click the drop down. Now select the segment you want to see on your pipeline. Click Apply Filters and it's going to show you all the leads with this tag. So now if I click into my contact card again, you're going to see in the deal details that a segment is Warm Lead. Segments are a way of tagging your leads so they can be easily searchable in your My Leads area, for example, or in the pipeline view as well.